Your brother. That's right. Your brother. No, I'm not Sean Connery, you dolts. If I was, then your mother would be a duck. Want to know how I know? Because I fucked her. Yes, I fucked your mother like the duck she is. Because I'm a duck fucker. Now, try and call me Sean fucking Connery again. I am your brother. No, I'm not Walter Cronkite either, you dolts. Who the hell is Walter Cronkite? No, I'm not Nixon either. I am your brother. Yes. Learn it, live it, love it. No miniskirts, Roy. Thank you.